On a long and lonesome highway east of Omaha, you could listen to the engines moaning out his one old song. You could think about the woman, the girl you knew the night before. But your thoughts will soon be wandering the way they always do.